Okay, so Ben's car looking a little bit sorry for itself. He's had to remove lots of bits to take the bumper off because we're going to be painting a few things. These are all the bits and pieces he's taken off. So headlight covers, indicators, cooling panel, and just out here is the bumper in question. So what we're going to be doing is spraying the splitter because it's just been stone chipped. We were going to do it on the car, but Ben decided that he wanted to remove it, so that's cool. Save us a job of the masking. But yeah, little job he's wanted to do for quite some time. It's just one of those, he's just like myself, just very particular. And yeah, so we've got some paint, as I mentioned, pre-mixed. So we're gonna get it on and hopefully it looks good. Okay, so we've just sanded down, spent about half an hour sanded down this splitter off Ben's Rx7. There's Ben doing the other side, it's in two pieces. So yeah, as you can see, plenty of sandpaper used. But yeah, it was purely because Ben had this painted not too long ago, but unfortunately it was stone chipped and the paint was still very soft as he took the car out, so it easily chipped. So what we've done is just flattened it back, and he's got some paint mixed from Paints For You, which is the chap I use. Stick a bit of primer, base, let that flash, and then we'll put some lack on it. Hopefully it'll come out nice. So Ben's just given it another wipe down just to make sure all the dust and all the bits and pieces from the sandpaper is all wiped off, so we get a nice clean finish with the primer. Right, okay, so as you can see here, we've had to put some body filler on the splitter. So we put a guide coat on it and we flattened that back, and we could still see that there was some chips that were just sinking. So we just used a little bit of plastic body filler and we're just going to flat over it. And so far we're in the process of sanding it at the moment. But yeah, we want it as perfect as possible because we've got to this stage, so we might as well make it as nice as we can. Okay, so we've just sanded back all the fillers best we can, and it is extremely smooth. So hopefully, after another coat of primer, there will be no chips, so then we can get on with the base. And this is the other half. At the moment, it's just the fill is just drying, and we'll do exactly the same with this one as we've just done with this one. So yeah, we'll get some primer on this. Okay, so after a lot of sanding, filling, we have finally got an extremely smooth finish ready for base. attempt number 3 on the alternator.
Yes.
What is it? Is that one?
Good old BMW reliability.
Brilliant.
It's fucking hot, that is, man.
Illegal.
Yeah, the only.
Oh, would you look at that?
I put that
Just
on.
look at
I
that.
can't pull it out either. I'd have to drill it.
Would
and
you just
yank
look
out.
at it?
Yeah, it's sad. It's the only mark.
I
on
mean,
the
just
car.
look at it.
Okay, so we just flatted it back with 2,500, wet and dry, and now Ben's gonna polish it, and we are using this stuff. So yeah, we'll see how it comes out. Is that polish applied?
This is the cutting compound. So I've just flattened it back.
And you just got to buff it,
Yeah.
and that bit's
I'm doing
done.
this bit by hand because you can't get the
Can't get in
polisher
there.
and the creases.
But this side is all done. Lighting is poor, but as you can see, the shine on it is incredible. So yeah, happy with that, considering it's out of a rattle can.
Yeah, it's come out pretty good.
Okay, so that is all done. Ben spent a little while polishing it, and it's come out really, really nice. No stone chips, colour match is brilliant. So yeah, good job.